Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna do a wedding guest makeup tutorial. It's not super simple and it's not so glam as well. It's gonna be somewhere in between. So if you want to know what I'm gonna do, then please continue watching. I have already applied a moisturizer, the usual Biotique moisturizer. I've applied it. I'm gonna use the Himalaya under eye cream. For my lips, I'm just gonna apply some good old Vaseline. Make sure that you apply something or the other to your lips, because if you're gonna wear a lipstick, especially if it's a matte one or a liquid lipstick, you really have to make sure that you're moisturizing your lips very well. I'm gonna leave my skin like that for at least 5 minutes before moving on to makeup. So the first step in your makeup routine has to be a good primer. So I'm using the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. This is not a silicone based primer, it is a cream based one. So I just apply this on the centers. I'm gonna let that primer to settle into my skin for 2 minutes and then move on to the next step. Since I have like a combination to oily type of skin, I sweat a lot and I also turn very oily. So it's important for me to set the primer with a compact powder. Now for compact powder, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Face HD powder. And the shade of this one is Classic Tan. So now the next step is completely optional. You have to do it only if you have pigmentation around your eyes or mouth area, which is orange correction. I ended up picking a very dark shade. I'm gonna apply this very lightly. Now you can see that my skin is all nice and even toned. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 330 Toffee. Now moving on to concealer. Again, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in the shade Medium Tawny. So now I'm just gonna set the under eye area alone using the same LA Girl compact powder. The main reason why I didn't set my upper eyelids as well is because I wanted to do my brows. After doing the brows, I will be cleaning them up with a little bit of the Fit Me foundation. So, it'll be a bit clumsy if you're gonna set it with the powder and then again go to a cream product. So I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild retractable pencil in the shade Medium Brown. So after I have filled in my brows, now I'm just gonna clean the upper and the lower portion as I told you before using the same foundation that I used. I like my eyebrows to be quite high because I do wear glasses, so glasses tend to hide my eyebrows. So now that my brows are done, now I'm gonna set my eyelids using the same compact powder. So now I'm gonna move on to my eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Mars Modern Matte palette. For my crease color, I'm gonna take the blush that I used from Wet n Wild in the shade Mellow Wine. I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. After applying the blush shade as my transition color, I'm gonna pick up like a dome shaped brush which is quite pointy so that it's more precise to work with. I'm gonna be picking up the black shade and then take your blending brush and blend it all out. I'm gonna pick up this shade. So next up I'm gonna take a very tiny brush and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here. And I'm gonna place it right into my inner corner. I'm also going to pop this on my eyebrows, the brow bone area. I'm just going to apply some kajal and I'm not going to apply any liner today because I don't think so any Indian wedding guest makeup look is complete without a kajal. So for kajal, I'm going to use the Plum Nature Studio Kajal. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the black eyeshadow from the eyeshadow palette and I'm going to set my kajal with this. So what this will do is, it'll make your kajal last longer. Now for the next step, which is mascara. Since I'm not going to be applying any falsies like false lashes, so I'm going to take like a really good mascara. This is the Total Temptation one from Maybelline. It is super volumizing. So coming back to base again, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. Now I'm going to move on to highlighter. Now I don't have a highlighter product, but I'm just going to use the same this shade that I used on my eyelids as a highlighter. I think this will work really good for my skin tone. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. So once the blush is done, all of my makeup is done except the lips, using Miss Claire Coffee Brown Lip Liner. I'm gonna go with this shade. It's from Stay Quirky. The shade is Slutty Chocolate Kiss 24. The last and final step is the makeup setting spray. This is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, then please don't forget to comment and subscribe, and also hit the bell icon which is right next to it so that you'll get notified whenever I'll upload a video. Until then, take care. Bye.